What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Google Analytics link tracking feature using UTM parameters such as source and medium. Let's check it out. A UTM code snippet is a simple piece of code that you add to the end of a URL to track your conversion and traffic to your website. There are 5 variants of parameters that you can track. We're going to focus on 3: source, medium, and campaign. Ready? Let's set it up. On the dashboard, we're going to head over to the My Account tab and then go over to My Account. On this page here, you're going to notice an option that says GA link tracking. If you've seen my previous tutorials, this will essentially expand upon those ones: how to shorten and track a link, how to use our smart link tracking feature, and now how to attribute your source, medium, and campaign in Google Analytics. So we're going to turn this to the on position. And what you'll notice is that SlickText provides some default metrics here. For the medium, they put SMS. For the source, they put SlickText. And then for campaign, we automatically set that based on the campaign name of the outbound message. I'll show you in just a moment. Hit Save Settings, and now your GA link tracking is enabled. Now we're going to head back over to the Send a Message page. On the Send a Message page, we'll go ahead and give this a campaign name. Then we're going to select our list and type up a message. Now when you get to typing the link, you'll notice that when we type out the link, our system is going to automatically detect that and give you the option to shorten and track it. That's the first step. So we're going to shorten it. Yes, we want to track to see who clicks it. And then we're going to give it a name, and we'll hit Save. That's going to add our merge tag. Now, we're going to go ahead and hit Send, and I'm going to show you where the source, medium, and campaign show up. So at this point, nothing looks different. You're not going to see the source or medium, but watch what happens when you click on that link. When you click on that link, it's going to take you over to the page that you're looking to direct people to. And in the actual URL, if you go to the left and right just a little bit, you'll notice that you'll see the UTM_source being SlickText, the medium being SMS, and the campaign being Valentine's Day offer. Now that we've clicked on our campaign, let's head on over to Google Analytics to show you where you're going to find the information. Once logged into your Google Analytics account, we're going to head over to Acquisition, then All Traffic, then Source Medium, and you can search by either Source Medium in the search bar. And that's it guys, that's how you use our Google Analytics tracking here using UTM parameters at SlickText. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching guys, we'll catch you in the next one.